Greetings friends of Travel Your Own Path. Today I am in the Killarney National Park in a place near enough to a cottage called Dinis Cottage, and this is one of the lakes of Killarney here. I'll just walk us down this direction. So just on an evening walk after the gym, and decided to take the camera out for a little walk, try and get us down to another viewing point here now where you can look at the lake. This here is the sign for Dinis Cottage, tea rooms, 1 kilometre from this point. And so all is good, guys. Basically the community is at 1.5k at the moment, the Facebook community. Please feel free to go check it out in the YouTube channel art. And this is a view from this side of one of the lakes of Killarney. Very peaceful out here in the evening, not that many people around, and a nice place to go walk. So if you're coming from the town of Killarney, then you take the road out towards the Gleneagle Hotel, continue past that towards Muckross Park, then you continue on and it's just past Torc Waterfall, and then there is a car park on your right hand side, and that's where you park to come to this area. I'll try and get you a better view now of the lakes in a minute. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, as well, what it is that you do. Do you shoot travel videos, or what it is that you're doing at the moment? And if you haven't been to Killarney, Co.Kerry, you need to come. I almost got hit by a car there. I can hear a boat out on the lake there. They do boat trips as well here in Killarney. I'm just going to walk us down to the lake shore now in a minute. It's a great place to come and chill out. There's a lot of walks around Killarney as well, in the Killarney National Park, and a lot of the mountains you can climb as well. But it's really beautiful. Look, I'll show you there. It's really nice. And in approximately 5 weeks' time, I shall be in Gdansk, Poland, where my friends are at the moment, or they were. James the Boy Experiment, their channel, go check it out. Yeah, so I'm going to be in Poland I'm going to be in Poland in 5 weeks, for 5 weeks, and I'm going to cover Gdansk and another few places as well. So roughly 5 weeks time will be Gdansk, Poland, 4 or 5 weeks, and I'll go to Wrocław as well, and a few different places, so something to stay tuned. Look forward to. Like I was saying a while ago, the Facebook community is at 1.5k, doing pretty well, and a lot of people sending in videos and pictures from all over the globe. So be sure to check that out in the YouTube channel art. And yeah, so this is what I usually do, guys, in the evening. Take a walk out here to the Killarney National Park, like I was saying a while ago, which is, this walk is called the Muckross Dinis walk, and on this walk you can see the meeting of the waters, which is where the two lakes of Killarney connect, and also Dinis Cottage as well, which is where you can get tea and nice cakes. So I'm just going to walk us up here now and see. Hi. Greetings. Yeah, so that's it basically. There's a lot of places to walk here and a lot of things to see. The summertime as well, you've got a lot of dragonflies around this area, all different colours and stuff, so it's really nice as well to see that. See, it says Dinis Cottage, 500 meters from here. I think it's actually a bit more. I don't think it's 500 meters, but walk out, try and show you a bit of this here. It's funny that I haven't done this walk yet with the camera, because it's one of the more popular walks in Killarney. Just a boat out there traveling, probably going to pick some people up and head back to Rosscastle. So you can do boat trips, like I said in the previous vlogs, from Rosscastle to Lord Brandon's cottage. And yeah, that's a day trip, a full day trip. It leaves from Rosscastle at like 10 in the morning, and then you go back in the evening at, I think it's like 4:30, so it's a good 6.5 hours or more. The boat trips takes approximately something like an hour there and an hour back, and then you've got like 4.5 or 4 hours at Lord Brandon's cottage, and you can choose to walk the direction of Co.Kerry's cottage, which is up through the valley, through the Black Valley and that direction, or you can just choose to stay around the cottage and eat. So you can do that. And I'm not sure if you can see this here, guys, but just right over here you've got the cottage that we're going to visit now in a minute. It's Dinis Cottage, and the boat has just pulled in there. And all you can see here in this area, you usually can't get here in the winter time because it's all flooded. So it's actually nice to be able to walk out here and see this as well for me, because the lake is really high in the winter time, so you can't do this. This is the area. Definitely, if you're thinking about coming to Killarney, you should definitely come. Like I said, there's a lot of places to see, a lot of things to do. If you look across here, you can see this is the meeting of the waters. It's kind of like a bridge. It is a bridge, and it connects through there the two lakes, and the currents are very strong there, so it's very dangerous to go swimming or anything like that. The reeds Actually, there's a dragonfly right here, just past me. Not sure if I'll be able to zoom in on it, but might be able to see it. Not sure if you caught that or not, but yeah, so there's a lot of dragonflies around here. So that's it for this one, guys. I'm gonna just head down towards the cottage there and take another vlog in a second. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll talk to you in the next one.